Hey everyone, if you're getting a 404 error after deploying on Vercel in 2026, like pages not found or broken routes, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Vercel 404 error after deploy step by step. First, open Vercel and check your deployment status. Make sure the build is successful because failed builds can break routing. Next, verify you are using the correct domain or deployment URL. Sometimes users open the wrong preview link. Now check your routing configuration. In frameworks like Next.js or React, missing routes often cause 404 errors. After that, make sure your homepage file exists, like index.html or a main page file. Without it, the root URL will fail. Next, check your build output directory settings. Incorrect configuration can break all deployed routes. Now, pay attention to file names and casing. Vercel is case sensitive, so incorrect capitalization can cause errors. After that, redeploy your project to refresh routing. Sometimes changes don't apply until a new build is triggered. Finally, clear your browser cache or use incognito mode to test again. Cached data can still show old 404 pages. So yeah, that's how you fix Vercel 404 error after deploy in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your website should work correctly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more deployment tutorials for beginners.